Hey guys, 8th honors class. We're looking at number 51 on page 268. This is one that some kids had questions on today. Here's the answer for anybody who wants to know it. We need to find a common denominator between these two things if we're to subtract these two terms. When finding a common denominator, we want to factor first. So this is a difference of two perfect squares, so it becomes x minus 3, x plus 3. Still x minus 11 up top. We factor this downstairs with GCF, we get x times x minus 3. X minus 7 up there. Beware the error maker right here. We're going to have to distribute that to both of these, something else too. So let's be aware of that when we end up getting to that point. Common denominator here, we have an x minus 3 and x plus 3. Another x minus 3 here, but it doesn't matter because we already had one there, so we don't have to do it twice because x minus 3 goes into x minus 3. Then we have an x here. So our common denominator is going to be x times x minus 3 times x plus 3. I'm going to have it the same thing for both of these, and then I'm going to combine later. So we're still subtracting. Now I just created a common denominator that's slightly different than this. What do I have here that I don't have there? I have an x. So what I have to do is multiply that x by whatever's up top, so x minus 11. Basically we multiply the whole term by x over x, which equals 1, so we can do it, and it allows us to get a common denominator. Here we had x times x minus 3. We added an x plus 3 on, so we have to take this thing here and multiply it by x plus 3. Basically what we did here from here was just multiply the whole term by x plus 3 over x plus 3, which is 1. We can do that. Let's work out the top. Actually the bottom now is going to be x minus 3, x plus 3. We get x squared minus 11x minus the quantity of all this stuff. That's the error maker. We got to make sure to subtract the quantity of all this. So I get x squared minus 4x minus 21. Now I got to distribute this error maker to all this stuff. Now we've slayed, the error maker has been slain, and we just have to do our math from here. So I have an x squared here and a negative x squared there. Those cancel out. I have negative 11x plus 4x. That's negative 7x plus 21. All over x times x minus 3, x plus 3. Now guys, if we GCF out a negative 7, let's do that. So, we can GCF out a 7 or a negative 7 at this point, it doesn't matter. I'm going to GCF out a negative 7. So I get negative 7x plus 3. I'm sorry, negative 7x minus 3, I should say. Sorry, negative 7x minus 3. I'm even going to use corrective tape here. This is x minus 3 if we factor out a negative 7. Here we have x minus 3, x plus 3. X minus 3 and x minus 3 cancel out. So now we're left with negative 7 over x times x plus 3. It's kind of messy. I mean negative 7 over x times x plus 3. Should be our final answer. Any questions on this? Oh, as always, leave comments. Guys, I want you guys to learn. I'm happy to help you in any way, shape, or form I can. In class it's difficult because everyone is working at a different speed. I don't want to slow anybody down. I also don't want to rush anybody if I don't need to. But I know this stuff is getting tough, so if you really want to learn it, reach out, send emails or post comments. I like working through these problems with anybody who's willing to make the effort to ask for help. Guys, I hope this helped. Take care. Have a great day.